Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Legally Speaking with Rest the Case. And today we have with us Advocate Anup Dhannawat from Mumbai, who has over 8 years of experience in variety of fields like criminal, civil, family, and more. Welcome to the show, Advocate Anup. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. What about you?
Same here. So today's topic of discussion is insurance fraud in India. So insurance fraud has been like in two ways, one which policyholders do and one which insurance companies do. So can you tell us more about what are the different types of insurance fraud that happen in India?
There are various types of insurance frauds, including some types of bogus claims, some misleading claims. That claims were passed or that claims were claimed by the policyholders, and sometimes the claims were fraudulent claims which were passed also, and it is a basically loss to the insurance company because of falsified information, forged information, and some bogus medical bills which were submitted on account of the policyholder to the company, and company on verification, or suppose sometimes company is not verifying the papers or the documents, and then the policyholder is claiming that claim amount which is not actually real the claim, but policyholder is getting that such type of claims. So these are the bogus and fraudulent claims. These are sometimes there are some fabricated accidents. So policyholders are showing some collisions, some rear end collisions of cars which never happened. They are showing some types of events which never happened, and they are claiming that that claim happened, and they are claiming that such type of claims. So insurance company is making huge losses because of such claims, like medical bills. So after once the patient got admitted in the reputed hospital, then he got discharged. Post discharge, there is a 60 days or 30 days medical bills reimbursement policy is there. So that time policyholder is submitting fake bills. They are taking medical bills from the medical shops and they are giving to the policy to the company.
Right.
So these are also some overbilling type of activities.
So what type of frauds happen from policyholders side, like the customer side?
Customers are giving bogus information. No? They are always and always repeated claims are sending to the insurance companies.
Right.
They are giving their identity, wrong identity also. They are showing some wrong identity, like some dead person's Aadhaar card and PAN card that can be misused by the policyholders' family members. They are showing that he is alive and they are paying the premium on his behalf. And after paying 2 to 3 premiums, they are claiming that he is now dead.
Right. So how can insurance companies, detect these type of insurance fraud and, verify every detail that it is true and it's not some like wrong information given to the company?
Whenever there is any application form filled by the policyholder, the insurance company is liable to do certain underwriting treatments. Like that is a wealth underwriting as well as health underwriting. So whatever documents and whatever information submitted by the policyholder, that needs to be verified. Like income tax returns filed by the policyholder, that needs to be verified by the wealth underwriter to provide him the genuine sum assured. If suppose the sum assured is 50 lakhs, which is demanded by the policyholder in his application form, and he don't have that much income also, and he is having only just 5 lakhs income tax returns. So that means his lifestyle and everything is matching for 5 lakhs. So his underwriting should be done. Medical underwriting is second underwriting criteria. So there are underwriters. Underwriting department is there in insurance company. So that medical underwriting should be done properly. Evaluation of that application form, whatever information submitted by the policyholder, that means that application filled by the policyholder, that needs to be verified by the underwriting department. Suppose I am a policyholder, I am giving false information that I don't have any medical illness or any disease right now, but 5 years back I was treated. So that needs to be verified. But falsely I am giving wrong information. So these are the basic things which needs to be verified by the insurance company while issuing the policy.
So sometimes there are insurance companies who can be fraud, and the policyholders are like they get into these malpractices and insurance fraud from the company side. So as a policyholder, how can people make sure that the insurance company is, not a fraud and it is reputable and they will give them the insurance they want?
So before choosing any insurance agent, which is the beginning of issuing a policy, we should verify which we are taking the policy from which agent, whether he is authorized, whether he is a trustworthy, what is his past record. Sometimes we are taking from the online agents also. So we should be very cautious, and we should know the claim settlement ratio of the insurance company before buying or before going to any insurance plan. We should verify that whether that insurance agent is trustworthy, because after my death, my family should get the claim, and that agent should support my family also.
Yeah, right.
So claim settlement ratio of the company is also very important, and searching an agent, good agent, that is also a very important task. If suppose I am taking a policy from some XYZ agent, then that agent needs to be chosen very, that agent needs to be chosen very wisely.
Yeah.
And the brand and reputation of that company is also very important.
Yeah, that's true. So how can we can identify such good insurance agents and not fall into the trap of any mispractice?
There are various club memberships which are given by the insurance companies, like MDRT club members, TOT club members. So that we should think before choosing any agent. His past record, how many policies he has issued, how many customers he is having, whether he is having a good office, and whether he is able to give me services whenever I require. Because suppose I am paying a smaller premium, then also he is able to come to my place and he is able to collect the check. I should never give any kind of cash to the agent to minimize the fraud.
So coming to the legal aspect, so
that agent's trustworthiness depends on his past record.
Yeah. So I was saying that now that's let's come to the legal part. So if there is an insurance fraud where the crime has been committed, what are the legal implications one might face from the company side, or if the insurance company is fraud, then from the policyholders side?
From the company side, company should directly report police FIR. That type of, there is a internal mechanism also. There is a risk containment unit of each and every insurance companies. So first they should assess that whether that risk is minimum or maximum, because their brand and reputation is also at stake. So if suppose there is a fraud, then definitely they should lodge a police FIR, and that is a cheating case under 406 and 420 of IPC. They should register with the local police station, and local police station has to take then action that who has committed the fraud. After thorough investigation, they will come to know that whether the real policyholder is doing the fraud or the policyholder has been also cheated by some other person, and then that report is very important from the police department. Their thorough investigation report is very important, because if suppose such types of crimes are happening, then it is a loss to the insurance company also, and the name and fame of that policyholder who is buying the policy, that is also at stake, and it is directly a loss to the nation also.
Yeah, that's true. And how it happens from the policy, if the policyholder is facing a fraud or insurance fraud?
Policyholder, if suppose if policyholder is facing a fraud, then he should immediately inform to the insurance company that this policy was not taken by me, or this policy was taken by me, but this premium was not paid by me. Policyholder should not give any kind of cash to the agents while paying the premiums. Then also, if suppose such frauds are happening, then he should directly write a letter to the insurance company, or through email also he can inform to their customer care, and then he can also file a police complaint also. And there are other remedy available, which is consumer courts. So through district consumer forums, they can write to the consumer forums, they can lodge a complaint before the consumer forum that such type of frauds are committed by the insurance company. and they can get this relief from the consumer forums also.
Yeah.
And
So
in
in your
all
person,
insurance,
yeah,
in all insurance companies, there is a ombudsman grievance mechanism possible nowadays
right.
because of IRD's guidelines. So insurance ombudsman is the highest authority. Insurance ombudsman is the highest authority for settling the grievances of the policyholders.
Mhm.
So insurance ombudsman, they can approach before the insurance ombudsman also.
So, in your experience, can you share us some popular insurance fraud cases that you might have dealt with, and people must know about what type of things happen in such cases?
So we should ourselves fill the insurance application form. If suppose we are filling, then we are filling the perfect and accurate information. If suppose we are not filling, our agent is filling, then we should cross check the information accurately. And there is a one fraud which was committed. One person was a dead person. He already expired in year 2006, and his family member, they had not done the fraud, but someone else who is a cheater, he made policy on the expired person's name. XYZ person, he is alive, he is a cheater. He made a policy by taking his Aadhaar card and PAN card of the deceased person, and the policy was issued by the insurance company because the risk is very less, like 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. So nowadays, what insurance companies they are doing, they are issuing straightly 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs sum assured policies without verifying whether the person is alive or dead, based on the papers only, documents submitted like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and they should actually policy the insurance company, they should verify through telephonic check whether you have applied for or not applied for.
Yeah.
But
That's yeah.
but the company has issued the policy for 20 lakhs sum assured to the dead person's name,
Yeah.
and then the company has sent that documents on his postal address which was on the Aadhaar card. So the cheater, the scammer, he has not erased the Aadhaar card's address, and based on that, that policy directly dispatched to the deceased address. So his wife has obtained, the deceased wife has collected the documents, and straight away she reported this incident to the insurance company. Then insurance company lodged one FIR at Borivali police station, and then the person was trapped by the police, and he was arrested. So such types of crimes are happening.
So I think for insurance companies, it's very important to have a proper check system before they, issue the insurance to the people.
Right. There are a lot of checks, like they should verify that there is a one form which is MHR, moral hazard report. So that moral hazard report form should be filed by the branch manager before issuing any policy. He should visit the person whether that person is medically fit and fine or not. Suppose someone has lost one leg and he is not giving that information that I lost one leg. Then also there is a burden on the insurance company. In future, claim may arise because he lost one leg and he has hid that information. So before issuing, that branch manager has to visit.
Yeah. So often there is a thing where people tend not to disclose such things like some of their diseases or some of their disabilities, because they think they will not get it approved. Like the insurance company will not even approve their application. So is this the case in all companies? Because it happens a lot where people don't disclose it because they have this fear it won't get approved.
But it is the wrong perception and wrong mindset of the people. We should provide accurate information. Then also insurance company will issue our policy and they will charge us some extra premium, that is known as loading in the insurance sector. Suppose our premium is 1000 rupees. So insurance company may charge 100 rupees extra and they may issue us the policy after diagnosing and after verifying all the facts. So we should provide all the accurate information.
Because there is this stigma and fear attached that if we disclose this right now ahead, the approval won't happen and the application for insurance can get rejected. So that's
no. This is a wrong perception. Because all companies are under IRDA. So there is a regulator. So regulator is there and that is the highest authority. So we should give proper information, thorough information, accurate information, For that purpose only there is a application form.
So this
And
is
insurance
common
contract.
among most of the insurance agencies. Hello.
Insurance companies are giving all the fair claims, all the genuine claims. If suppose the information is proper, then insurance company is finding they are supposed to give accurate claims.
Right. So, Advocate Anup Dhannawat, I think this was a very insightful discussion about insurance fraud, and we get to know a lot about the different types of insurance fraud that happen in India, and also the different questions that surround insurance fraud from the policyholder side and the insurance companies. So I hope you also had a great time talking to us about this topic.